This one attitude can kill your life. What's that attitude? The attitude that you will think that I will go with the flow in life. I will do what's easy in life. And I do that what's comfortable for me and watch what crowd follows. Hi, I'm Keerthan. So in this video, let's talk about the one attitude that is killing your life currently right now. How do I know? Because if you're not achieving the kind of lifestyle you desire, then this one attitude is stopping you. As I have already told you, the attitude is I will go with the flow. Let me explain this I will go with the flow attitude with context. So here in this context, we have a Niagara Falls. So you might be knowing Joke Falls or Niagara Falls. Take any one falls that you know. So and in our life, when we are starting our journey of life, when we are moving here, so we are thinking that everything is going well and the water flow is in this direction, and when we are watching in this direction, so for example your health looks good when you are very young, and your finances are taken care by your parents, and your contribution or whatever you do in life at that time looks fantastic when you are so young. Right? But as the time passes, you are thinking that everything is going well, I'm going with the flow, and these kind of category people are those people who thinks life will happen by chance, not by choice. They do not commit themselves or give their time to design their life. But the only problem I have with this going with the flow, guys, is that so it's very easy because you do not have to struggle. You just need to sit in the boat and the boat will go. It's something like the years, each and every single year it start passing by. You do not have to worry about it. How does it happen? How things happen? So it keeps on going, and as you move forward, so you are here, things are fine, you move back here. Now, in certain situations in your life, you suddenly feel that there is something that there is big steep, which means that directly as you are moving forward in the journey, you suddenly feel struggle in life. You suddenly feel because of certain situation. Now at that time, you start thinking, what do I do right now? And then you go out and ask people, because everything seems to be fantastic in your life, suddenly something bad happened right now. The reason is because you are moving with the flow. And now what do we do? Can we do? Let me ask this question to you. What would you be doing if you were in this situation? So what can you think right now? Can you right now change the direction of the boat? Absolutely not. You cannot change it right now because it has already come to the point of end. You cannot make a choice when you are here, but you definitely can make a choice when you are here. To move forward in the direction of your dreams, desires, and the kind of things whatever you are already achieving. But the thing is that most people do not do the choice here to move in this direction because it's very difficult to move against the flow, to go and do certain things which is not crowd is doing, because you have to commit something extraordinary than other people, and it's struggling. But when you come here, you are done. You do not know what to do right now. The force is very strong, and the only option is to die, or if you give one more try, is to, if you know swimming, you need to jump from this. Those are the only two choices. So this is a death life. This is a life where you live life with chance, and you believe luck, this, that, and you keep on giving excuses in life for not achieving what you want. And that has happened because of the attitude of going with the flow attitude. You were not prepared in life, because opportunities come to those who are ready. If you are not ready, then everything is well in your life. So you will hit a point in your life where life demands more from you. So at that time, you need to be giving it all. So which means that the objective of this video is to make sure that you do these very important things when you are here. Because in order to change the direction, or in order to move against the flow, what you need is something I call it as boats. In the boats, you have something here where if you have to change and move against the flow, you have to have this. But most of the people in their life, when everything is comfortable, they think that it is just a stick, they will not use it, they just throw it away. And then they go with the flow and life seems comfortable. Okay, it's not for me. It's something like everybody knows that if I'm not prepared, if I do not design my life consciously, okay, so they think that they do not think about the fact that if I do not design it consciously, okay, so the things will not happen the way I really want it. Okay, so here it's very important. The odds can be about the kind of skills that you develop, the kinds of methods that you learn, the kinds of systems that you develop in your life to actually move your journey in the direction of your choice rather than going with the flow. And this seems very uncommon to the people who are going with the flow, is because it seems to be like, why are you struggling to go against the flow when the flow is there? But what they do not see is the big pitfall here. This is where people go through physical pitfall, emotional and mental pitfall. So now you need to understand from this context. So life is not when everything goes bad, you then start learning skills, you then start learning methods, systems, trainings, reading books, going to seminars. No. This is not the point where you do that. You do it when everything is going well in your life. When everything is going well in your life, be ready to become uncomfortable in your life. Where you are ready to move against the flow. Where you are ready to go against the crowd. Which means that you do not follow the sheep herd. So you really make a new way, a new path, a new decision that really shapes and change your life. So here are the three couple of very important things that I want to tell you with this video. So there are three things which can change your life. The first very important thing, when you're here, you need to decide. You need to decide that I'm going to go against the flow. The second thing what you need to do is you need to consistently have a disciplined action. The word is consistent and disciplined action to move against the flow. Because I'm telling you here, I'm not against the fun, I'm not against the beautiful life. What I am for you here is that you are watching this way. Your perception is only to the great things, but you are not looking back and seeing that there might be a time where I need to go through this particular thing. For that, if it should not happen, then you have to design it consciously. Which means that here you make the decision saying that I decide that I will go against the flow. I am ready to make myself uncomfortable right now in order to have the kind of lifestyle I desire. Second one is that you take the consistent disciplined action. Consistent disciplined action to move every single day to move in the direction of what your life should be in. Third one, you make and have strategies to move in this particular direction so that you achieve the kind of life that you desire. I hope that this video has added immense value in terms of teaching you about it's very important to go against the flow and be ready to be uncomfortable rather than going with the easy path. And you also got to know about the very important three things. And I also want you to comment here below that what is the new decision that you are willing to take today in order to make yourself and get the kind of desired lifestyle that you want. Make that decision and put that decision in the comments below here. And also start working on a consistent basis, a consistent disciplined action on a day-to-day basis in moving towards your conscious and designed life. And also the third one you should be focusing on is what are the tools and strategies that I need to learn, develop and grow in myself, ingrain in myself to become the kind of person that I really want to have and be and give. So this is what that which helps you and takes you to the next level. So if you think that this video has added value, so please share this video with your friends, colleagues and loved ones so that everybody can get the benefit of this video.